Claude Code found 6 exposed secrets in my live invoicing SaaS in 4 minutes. 3 of them were production strike keys. If you're a solo founder shipping fast, running a side SaaS, or wiring together 12 microservices with no security budget, one leaked key ends your business. Most tutorials show Claude Code writing features. Nobody shows it as the security auditor you can't afford to hire. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact prompts to sweep your own repo tonight. I build these systems daily for clients running real payments. Let me show you what it actually caught. So let's define what Claude Code actually is, because most people conflate it with the chat product. Claude.ai is a chat window. You paste code in, it talks back. Claude Code is different. It's an agentic command line tool that lives inside your project folder. It reads your files directly, greps across every service, edits code, runs commands, and executes multi-step tasks on its own. You don't paste anything. You point it at a repository and give it a job. That distinction matters when you're a solo founder running production software, because the highest leverage use case isn't shipping features faster. It's doing the boring, terrifying work you keep putting off. Specifically, auditing your secrets before one of them ends your company. Here's the situation I was in. I run an invoicing platform used by small businesses processing real Stripe payments and sending real e-invoices. 12 microservices, environment files scattered across services, migrations from 8 months ago, test files nobody has looked at since launch. The classic solo founder mess. I knew there were probably exposed secrets somewhere. I just didn't have the 8 hours to grep through everything by hand, and I wasn't going to pay a security consultant $200 an hour to tell me what I already suspected. So I opened Claude Code in the root of the monorepo and gave it one prompt. I said, audit every .env file, every config file, every git ignore across all 12 services. Find any secret, a PI key, password, or token that could ship to production. Cross-reference the git ignore to see which ones are actually being tracked by Git. Flag anything hard-coded inside source files. Give me a table with the file path, the type of secret, the risk level, and the fix. 4 minutes later, it came back with 6 findings. Finding 1. A hard-coded Stripe secret key sitting inside a test file that got committed because someone, probably me at 2 in the morning, forgot it was there. Finding 2. An SMTP password in a legacy database migration from launch. That migration file is in Git history forever. Finding 3. A JWT signing secret committed 8 months ago in a config file that was supposed to be Git ignore but wasn't. Finding 4 and 5. 2 third-party API keys hard-coded into fallback logic. Finding 6. A database connection string with credentials sitting in a README example that got copy-pasted into a real config. 3 of those 6 were live production keys. If you're running a solo SaaS or small agency and you've never actually audited your secrets, this is the sweep to run this week. You can see real examples of the automations and security tooling we ship for clients over at BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown lands in your feed.